Welcome back. It is 9:50. Thanks for watching us here on Saturday Daybreak. Julianne Bitely, you know, she's usually here giving us some advice on how to eat right, putting ingredients that we don't normally think of and making good recipes. But what about for the dogs?
Well, I mean, what's good for...
The segment's for the dogs.
Well, the segment's for both of us.
It is?
It is, for two-legged and four-legged friends alike.
All right. And who did you bring along with you?
This is Julep. She's my personal rescue dog. She's 7 years old, and we got her from a puppy mill in Mississippi. She is a golden mix. But the reason that we're doing this for dogs is I have a huge announcement.
Okay, go ahead. Let her rip.
All right. I don't know where to look. Two.
Oh,
Hello.
no, one now.
One. Okay. So,
Two.
as of this next week, I'm going to be the new volunteer coordinator for CARE, Central Arkansas Rescue Efforts for Animals. So I'll be splitting my time between my holistic health practice and taking care of pups like this. So,
good deal.
So
combining the two here too with something good for the something that gets you some ingredients you have around the house you can put together for the dogs.
Super easy. So most people know about the health benefits of coconut oil for people, but what they don't know is that it's excellent for dogs and it helps with bad breath, digestion, and allergies. Okay. So that helps them. So what we're going to do is make what's called a peanut butter freezer bark.
Peanut butter freezer bark.
Yes. Ha ha.
All right. How do you do this?
We're going to start with half a cup of coconut oil at room temperature. You don't want it liquidy because then it'll be too hard to work with. You'd rather just have it a little bit soft. And then we're going to add a third of a cup of peanut butter. See, she's excited. This peanut butter, now, for people and dogs alike, it's important that you don't have any added sugar or salt because we have enough of that in our diets already, and especially for pups, it's harder for them.
What kind of peanut butter are you using?
This is just plain old peanut butter. It's just peanuts. That's it.
Where did you get it?
Kroger.
Kroger?
Kroger, $3, no problem.
What? I mean, it's just regular, like, store brands?
They have one that's a new one called Crema, I think. But normally it's easy to make it yourself, and the chunkier it is, the easier it is to work with. So we just are a fan of smooth at our house. Okay. So, and then to add a little bit of sweet, we're going to add about 1/8 of a cup of honey, and this is raw honey. So the raw honey is better for people and for dogs too. Okay. And when we mix it up, it looks kind of icky. Now see, this is a little bit cold.
Yeah. So coconut oil is that solid?
It is that solid at room temperature, yes, because it's got good fats in it. Okay. Do I need to move this so you can see it better?
No, I think we got it. No, they got a good shot of it.
Okay.
So
she's
how long
getting
do you have
excited.
to mix this stuff up?
Oh, it's super fast. I'm just not doing a very good job right now. Let's see.
I guess if you had some sort of blender, it'd be a little bit easier.
Well, you don't want to blend it because then it'll superheat it super fast. And you want to be able to dose this out however you like. Now, I was lazy and I just put mine in a plate and then broke it off into pieces. But you can use it in a Ziploc or a pastry bag and make little dots. So you have perfectly sectioned out servings.
Did you put it in the refrigerator afterwards? How'd you get to the
freezer? So you put it in the freezer, and if you leave it out, it will get what's the word? Liquidy again?
Mushy.
Mushy. But what's great about it is if you have a dog that has to take medicine and they're finicky, you mix it in this, so easy.
That is a very good idea.
Yeah. So Julep, do you want to be our taste tester? Come here. Sit.
Treat.
You want to shake my hand? Good girl. Lay down. There you go.
Oh, all right.
This one. So today we're going to have adoptable animals from 11 to 2 at CARE on Kavanaugh.
Good dog treats. Those are really good.
No, it's for people too. That's what's great about it. So this is a healthy treat. If you like peanut butter treats for yourself, it's an easy dessert. You're not going to the corner store and getting something junky, you know.
There's your information with holistic health and nutrition. Julianne Bitely at gmail.com. wellnessinlittlerock.com. Thank you so much. We're going to come back on the other side of this break, everybody. We'll be right back.